Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix your session has been suspended on Ticketmaster. If you want to fix your issue, you need to follow these steps. First, clear browser cache and cookies. In Chrome, go to settings, then go to privacy and security, then go to clear browsing data. And in Firefox, go to settings, go to privacy and security, go to cookies and site data. In Safari, go to preferences and go to privacy and go to manage website data. In the second step, disable ad blockers and extensions. Temporarily disable any ad blocking extensions or other browser plugins that might interfere with Ticketmaster's functionality. In the third option, try a different browser. Sometimes the issue can be specific to your browser. Try using a different one like Firefox, Chrome, or Edge. In the fourth option, use a different device or network. If possible, try accessing Ticketmaster from a different device or network. Example, mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. In the fifth option, check your Ticketmaster outages. Verify if there are any reporting outages on Ticketmaster's website or social media channels. In the sixth option, contact Ticketmaster support. If none of the above solutions work, reach out to Ticketmaster's customer support for assistance. They may be able to provide more specific troubleshooting steps or information about the issue. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.